Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amara here. I want to give an update. The issue with having you have a tub that is just pouring water. The water keeps coming continuously. It keeps coming continuously and it doesn't want to start washing. Well, mine has started washing, but if it happens to you that it seems as if it just keeps filling and it doesn't want to start washing, just take note that maybe you probably have a tub full of clothes and your clothes have displaced the space for the amount of water that should be coming in. If you look at it, because I have plenty clothes, it gave me a level 10, water level 10. But if you're impatient and you really want to start washing the clothes, you can just go over here and change it to level 9. See, once you just take it a lower level, it starts washing. Let me leave it at level 8 because the clothes is quite much, but I just want it to start washing. I don't want it to keep adding extra water for me, so I brought it to level 8 and it started washing again.